What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. I am Kyra Bear. You could call me Kyra. Right now I'm going to show you how to use stories on TikTok. First things first, I'm going to show you basically how to make a story. Now there's two ways to make a story. You could go to your page on TikTok and next to your picture there should be a plus. You could click on that and it'll take you right here to basically make the story. Another way you can make it is you could just hit create and you could go to basically this one right here. Okay, after you record, you could basically hit where it says post to story. Okay. Now on how to watch a story. So as you can see in your picture, you have a blue plus. On your picture, it should be kind of like framed in a blue circle. So if someone has story, it should show that their picture is framed in a blue circle. If it is, you could click on it and you'll be able to see their story. As you can see right here with this TikTok, she has a blue frame around her, so that means that she has a story. So basically you click on it, so when you press on her picture, when it's like light blue, it'll go right to her story. Right there, you could basically like, comment, all that, usual stuff. Okay, that's pretty much it, and that is how you use story. Well, that's so far from how I learned how to use it. If you like this, please make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.